We are installing our adapter with a NOx sensor at the exhaust outlet. It's a simple fit, held in place by just one screw. This sensor's function is to analyze the NOx gas coming out of the exhaust. After installing the adapter, we connect the NOx sensor to the ECOTORQ. Here we have the sensor on the adapter, the power cable coming from the battery, and the truck's OBD cable. We are going to start the NOx emissions test in grams per kilowatt hour. Select the make and model of the vehicle. The software will identify the VIN, vehicle calibration, and the sensor's serial number. The software will show which parameters are needed to start the emissions test in grams per kilowatt hour. In red, what's out of range, and in green, what's okay to start. We wait for the sensor to start working so we can start the vehicle. And now, with the truck idling, we can measure grams per kilowatt hour, just for the purpose of this video demonstration. The emissions in grams per kilowatt hour are measured with the vehicle in real traffic. If needed, we have an instructions button where you can check how to perform the test. Here, we will request the torque map that's on the truck. We select the brand and model. Now we will request the torque map that's stored in this control unit. In a few minutes, this graph will be displayed for us on the software screen. With this software, we can also save this torque curve for future comparisons. Alright everyone, it's time for us to commence our journey and move forward with purpose and enthusiasm. Let us embark on this exciting endeavor together, taking our first steps towards what lies ahead. We should proceed without any further delay, as the moment to begin has truly arrived.
Hey guys, we're here. We're here with the truck and Iveco doing the measurement here with Alexander from Vale Van. We're here using new equipment, grams per kilowatt hour, to prove, look, the emission level, the emissions of this truck regarding NOx. We're already taking some readings. We're here at Nutra, and we're going to post this video of ours